Hey, welcome to SWG's Woodworking Channel. We're in Boise, Idaho, and we're at a really cool place. We are at the Maker's Shop at Woodworking Community in Boise, Idaho, and we're gonna walk around and see their shop. Thank you, Monty, for letting me do this, and shout out to the Maker's Shop, Boise. Now let's go inside and check it out. So they got a really cool setup here. So they got a really nice office, but they got all these benches right here, tons of workspace. So tons of workspace, different lockers, everything. So we'll start over here. We'll come over here. There's a couple people working. So they got all kinds of Festool set up, a great big miter station here on this side. Different Festools there. So the other day when I was here, I was talking about the bandsaws, and they got a dedicated resaw here, big 1.25 blade or inch blade, a couple other little bandsaws. Like the shop I work at, they have a 18-inch Powermatic planer, 20-inch Powermatic planer, a couple little bandsaws, a router table. Got a joiner here, but this place is sweet. 2 stop table saws, smaller planer, 15-inch planer Powermatic, and then a smaller, looks like 6-inch Powermatic joiner. Having a brain fart. So come over to their sanding station. They got a belt sander, disc sander. I love how their setups are. Big drum sander. And we all recognize this sander. We have one of those at our shop. And then this is what we need. Standalone spindle sander. So, and then another drum sander. But it's just the amount of space and everything they have here is just, it's incredible. I don't see any lights though. Maybe I'll bring you back. So hang on one second. Okay, we're back. Well, I guess they have a full lathe room. Isn't that cool? So that's their lathes. Okay, we'll be right back. So they do their member storage a little different. So this is all their member storage. Kind of cool idea. I might have to throw that out. So, but yeah, very cool shop. Very freaking sweet. They got 2 saw stop table saws, in feed out feed tables. Oh, I'm on. Oh, they got them in. Okay, I see how they do it. One facing one way, the other facing the other way. So this is pretty slick. They got a track saw on the wall over here by this, and then all their clamps and everything. So this is really cool. I'll get all the socials here in just a minute. Okay, they have a CNC laser room. So they got a little CNC machine here, and then this looks like a laser printer here. This is freaking sweet. And another spindle sander in the corner. So yeah. All right, let's walk to the next thing.
Yeah, I need the epoxy room right here.
Okay, then they have a epoxy room that they try to keep clean, I'm guessing.
Yep.
So this is their epoxy room. Cool. Wow, this place is cool. So I'm glad I stopped in and check it out. So, all right, see ya. All right, well, this isn't the longest video in the world, but it's cool because it's something unique. It's different. It's similar to what I do, but let's thank the Maker Shop of Boise, the woodworking community here, for letting us come in and video a little bit of their shop and show their tools and show their equipment. And it's been a cool experience, and I'm glad I stopped in and took the time instead of just driving straight home. But yeah, Maker Shop Boise. I think they're on Instagram. I'll figure it all out and link it in the video. All right, see ya.